Yes, yeah, once again, this is IBK. Yeah, I me leave my name out. It's also IBK albino. But listen, just did a reaction on the homie, Holy Cokes, you know what I'm saying? No, gevaarlijk. I enjoyed that number a lot. I forgot how quiet the number actually is. You feel me? But now, no, I got the comment on, okay, I forgot I think it was the MO number. I got a lot of comments on that youngster CPT Shane Eagle MO number. Now, in the song, I enjoyed the song. It's a gevaarlijke song. My only thing was that Shane Eagles, his accent, man. The American accent. And some people say, okay, maybe in Joburg, the people grew up like that, with that accent. If it is so, then it is so. Apologies if it is so. You know what I'm saying? I'm not here to judge you, cuz my only thing was, if it isn't so, and you just got it out of the blue, because maybe you want to use it as a way of getting more famous or something, then that's a problem. You feel me? Do it because it's natural, not as a strategic type thing. You know what I mean? But listen, I got the comment where the person says that there's a song of Saint Eagle where he speaks Afrikaans. You know what I'm saying? I want to hear that. You see? I think he said at the end of the song, the man speaks Afrikaans. You see? So, I'm going to give the song a listen. Maybe it's a gevaarlijke song. See, I'm not a hater. I don't dislike Saint Eagle. There was one song where it was gevaarlijk for me. It was like, back in the day, I forgot the name of the song, but the music video is where he's like on a bus, I think. He's sitting on a broken down bus, I think. And he's spitting, but it was quiet. You know what I mean? So, let's see, man. Let's hear. I'm so curious to hear how this man sound. Like speaking Afrikaans and stuff, man. So, 1, 2, 3, DJ, put it in the thing. Us, yeah. What? Oh yeah, the song's name is Zen. Zen. Yeah. Energy. Fang Shui.
I gotta protect my energy, you feel me? Nigga don't fuck with the Zen. Nigga don't fuck with my Zen. Nigga don't fuck with the Zen. Nigga don't fuck with my Zen. I can't get these bitches to send. I can't even look in the lens. Nigga don't fuck with the Zen. Nigga don't fuck with my Zen. Bitch, I like supercharged. And I'm a superstar. They talking about smoke, heard that they broke. Checking what Ubers cost. Come fuck with me, nigga. You see how I put her? No, it's just 2 of his dogs. Come fuck with me, nigga. You see how I put her? No, I put 2 on you, dog. How you walk like that? Talk like that. Saw like that. Ball like that. Hey, say fuck with me, nigga. You see how I put up? You know I got the streets going crazy. Make it like 55 daily. She tryna fund me like daily. I wasn't made in the media don't make me. I make the paper don't make me. I gotta rap to sell records.
Oh, that was quiet. I make the paper don't make me. Nah, that quiet. Nah, that was dope. That was dope. See, I got the open mindset. I'm not just here to hate on the man. You feel me? That was dope. I make the paper don't make me. Cause
yeah, I gotta tweet to sell records. The kids, they know I'm the GOAT. They know that you don't want the smoke. Keep talking that shit, you know I'm like Pac. You niggas gon' end up death row. Hey, back on my shit. I make all these niggas trip. I make all
compare yourself to Tupac, man. Nah, man.
All these bitches trip. Fuck that bitch, then I dip. I got flights I can't miss. Hey, give me some energy. These niggas dead to me, yeah. Don't fuck with my paper, you fuck with my bitch. You and your niggas is dead to me, yeah. Dead to me. Energy, Zen. Nigga don't fuck with the Zen. Nigga don't fuck with my Zen. Nigga don't fuck with the Zen. I'm about to go flip me some M's. I'm about to go flip me some M's. Nigga don't fuck with the Zen.
Yaar me like the game. Take it like it's best fucking rapper in the motherfucking planet. Ain't nobody capture that.
Speak on, man. Yeah, is that the only piece of shit? Yeah, my light ticket. Nah, man. I 2 words, 3 words. Yeah, my lighty. 3 words. Yeah, my light ticket. And it's lighty too. Yo, I thought it gives like a whole speed. But it Let me just hear it again. Nah, but that was too quick too. Nah, let me just hear that again.
Jaren, me like the game. Take it like it's
Now, just prove my point, man. You see how fluent a man sound there in speaking Afrikaans. Which shows me people you're not Americans at all. So, that just proved my whole point. That you heard how the man sound. No? So why is he American in the number? You definitely don't go for him. You add him. You're lamming it out. Speaking American, no? Like an American accent, no? And then you flip so much to yara my like it. Nah, but I don't believe it. I believe it is a manufactured accent, that American accent. Feel me? But kwai song. Say an eagle, do your thing, guys. Get your money, do your thing. I'm not saying you're fake, I'm saying you're real. Your content is real. Just the accent is a bit funny, but the paper don't make you, you make the paper, you know what I'm saying? So nah, man. If you like that man, there's nothing wrong with liking him. Everybody has, how do they say? To each your own. You know what I'm saying? Don't go off of what I say. And don't go off of what anybody says. Go off of your own opinion. If you believe that man really grew up with that accent, then it is so. If I believe he didn't grow up with that accent, then it is so. It's your opinion and it's my opinion. Are you not going to throw your opinion away for my opinion? Are you putting me above you? You feel me? Don't do that. Stick to yourself. Be your own man. You know what I'm saying? And that is how you will stay a man and stay your own man. Don't be easy to switch and don't be easy to believe a other person's opinion. You know what I'm saying? But nah, man. That number's alright. It's not bad. Have a look at that. I was really hoping it was longer than that. Is it? Yeah, no, 3 words. It's like 3 words. That man who commented and said the man speak Afrikaans in his song. Yeah, no, man. You could have told me it's 3 words. That man made it sound like man, he's giving a Nobel speech prize in Afrikaans or something. Can't you? It's 3 words. Yeah, no. But it's alright, man. Have a nice day. It's a beautiful day outside. Go to the beach. Go swim. Just wear your mask while you're swimming. You know what I mean? But have a nice day, man. Neighborhood.